initial starting procedure is like this. Please come this side. Okay. So I just powering up for the machine. Okay. So the main thing is, before operating, this is a button. There are three things to be operated: this one, this button, and this setting of temperature. This is for setting the temperature. Okay. So now I'm going to start it. I'm putting the switch to the heating part. Okay. So now heater is on. So before that, I want to set the temperature. Now see, in the display it is shown as 250 degrees. If I want to set, I will make it 240. There are three buttons here. So this button is, just move the cursor. Okay, wherever you want you can switch it over. So now since I want to make it, now it is 250, I want to make it 240. So I want reducing this. There is an increasing button and there is a reducing button. So now it is set to 240. And again you have to press the set button. So once it is done, now heating is on. See, the temperature is slowly increasing. Okay. Now you can start using the machine only after it is reaching to the set temperature. Okay. So we have to wait for a few minutes so that it reaches to 240. So once it is done, you can put the seeds. Groundnut seeds which are being used for getting the oil should be totally moisture free, which is the seeds which is available in the general market. You cannot use it. You have to specially go for the moisture free seeds. This has been supplied along with the machine. Okay, see the size of the seeds, it's very good. Okay, now in addition to this, they are provided with the gloves and a cleaning brush. So after the oil is extracted, you can use this thing. This I will show you once the oil process is completed. So the temperature is about to reach to 240. The setting of this temperature differs depending upon the type of the seeds you are using. For groundnut it is between 230 to 260, so I am setting for 240. Similarly for other seeds it is different. You can go through the brochure. Okay, once it reaches to 240 degrees, okay, now it has reached to 240. Okay, so now you can start the machine. So the machine starting button is this side. So this button, there are two options. So the top part is the clean up and the bottom is squeezing. So when you switch on, push the button to the squeezing, now the machine starts operating. So now we can put the seeds for getting the So now oil starts falling into the main container and the wastage is coming out of see how nicely the oil is coming out so easily. Okay, the wastage which is, it is totally free. This can be used for any of the food item. Okay, this process continues. So it takes around half an hour for 1 kg of seeds. So once it is done, then we'll show you what is the cleaning process. So this is how you can extract the best quality oil at home itself. Thank you.